Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a western Kentucky cornfield where a John Deere 4420 combine is harvesting corn 4 rows at a time. In this video, we're going to take a look at the production history, specifications, and original price tag of this combine from the 1980s. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear the corn harvesting operation. The 4420 was manufactured by John Deere at its East Moline, Illinois combine plant from 1980 through 1986. It's powered by a 6-cylinder, 329 cubic inch John Deere engine rated at 100 horsepower. It's equipped with a 45-gallon diesel fuel tank. The combine features a variable speed transmission with hydrostatic steering. For threshing, it's equipped with a 38-inch cylinder and a 5-step walker system for separating the grain. The 4420 was manufactured with a standard 72-bushel grain tank and could be equipped with factory-installed bin extensions to hold up to 102 bushels of grain. It features a hydrostatic unloading auger with a 10-inch diameter capable of unloading grain at 0.8 bushels per second. There were 4 variations of the 4420 combine manufactured by John Deere during the 1980s. Each model was set up with different components to specialize in the grain crops that they were harvesting. The first variation was a corn, grain, and soybean model priced at $46,514. The second was a corn and soybean special priced at $53,768. The third was an edible bean special set up to specifically harvest red and kidney beans, navy beans, and other dry beans. It was priced at $52,813. Each of the first 3 variations weighed in at 12,718 pounds from the factory. The fourth variation was a rice special set up with heavy-duty components to harvest the abrasive rice crop. A regular 4420 would wear out its components much faster trying to harvest rice. This model was priced at $55,344. And from the factory, the Rice Special 4420 weighed in at 13,103 pounds. The combine that you've been watching harvest corn in this video is a standard corn, grain, and soybean model that was priced at $46,514. It's running a 4-row John Deere 443 corn head, and that corn header, when it was new, was priced at $15,950. If you were to buy this combine brand new back in the 1980s, your total price to harvest corn would have been $62,464. I hope that you've enjoyed watching and listening to this John Deere 4420 combine harvesting corn in this western Kentucky field, as well as learning about its production history, pricing, and specifications. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there are over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. Make sure to click on the notifications bell as well so you'll know when the next Big Tractor Power video is released. New videos are coming out almost every day from the channel. If you have any questions or thoughts about this video, please leave them in the comment section below, as I try to respond to every post that is made. If you would like to get a preview of what is coming up next on Big Tractor Power YouTube, make sure to check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what is currently being filmed in the field. As always, thank you for watching.